working with Sergeant Art, and we are using this one, which is turquoise, this one, which is spectral yellow, this one, which is magenta, this one, which is spectral violet, and then they each got a squirt of acrylic pearlescent mixing medium, and these are all mixed actually with something new tonight. Tonight I am trying Elmer's Glue All pouring medium, and the website for Elmer's said that Elmer's School Glue and Elmer's Glue All are basically the exact same thing and have been since the 60s, but when I mixed it, I could tell immediately it was much thinner. It was a much thinner mix. Let me move this chair out of the way. So we'll see what we get. I mixed all these 50% paint, 50% the Elmer's Glue All pouring medium.
Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on, listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby. Yeah, yeah.
Just being silly, doing Christmas decorations today. But yeah, here is Fantasia. How pretty is that? I just love how deep and dark it got. As you can tell by the wall back there. I like dark. I like light ones though too. Light and airy. Yeah, that is so pretty. And the shimmer. The shimmer it has. It has not been varnished yet. Has to cure for a while then. But then it'll be done and ready to go to a forever home. So, okay, next we'll have, oh, SPLAT. Okay, if you watched Artapalooza, then you know that we named this kind of butterfly SPLAT. Because he looks like a butterfly that hit a windshield. And this was done with trying a new pouring medium. I thought it would be the same as my Elmer's school glue pouring medium, and it wasn't. It's the Elmer's Glue-All, and I mixed it the same as the Elmer's school glue, and it came out thinner. It's not as thick as my school glue recipe. But it dried beautiful. I got really beautiful dry results. And this was done mixing some Sergeant Art style craft paints. And I mixed those 50% paint to 50% of the pouring medium. And yeah, they dried beautiful. And this one has silicone in it, so it's going to have to be dried. I don't know, I might actually embellish this one. It's very colorful. Like I said, it dried beautiful, so this may appear in a later video. You never know. And then what else did I do on Artapalooza? Oh, I did some coasters. Using the Amsterdam titanium white. Am I getting that up high enough for you guys to see? And it was the Arteza Pearl paints, and those were all mixed with the old pouring medium of school glue, Elmer's school glue, water, and then the Arteza Pearl paints. And then it had a Amsterdam titanium white and 3 parts Elmer's school glue. Kind of blow out, so basically a non-bloom bloom. So that's these. There's 4 of them. Here's the first 2. Hopefully the glare isn't too bad. There's the first 2. And there is the second 2. So those are just waiting for a coat of resin now and touch up the sides and all that fun stuff. So there you have it. Those are dry results and Artapalooza highlights. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. And I'll see you later. Loves and hugs you all. Bye.